Drop.
Hello, welcome back. Today I will be playing Build a Boat for Treasure on Roblox. So let's get into it. Okay, so first we actually need to build the boat. So I'm gonna put that there, that there, that there, that there. Okay, I'm gonna start with a little raft and see how far we can go. Now I have played this before, so. Now all I need is that, and then I am done. Launch. Okay. Let's go. We're going. We're going. Oh. Okay, we're going. Nice, nice. This seems nice. Oh. Now we're getting into the obstacles. Oh. Yep. Okay, yeah. A raft probably won't do it, because... Yeah. Oh. I'm afraid my seat might break soon. Oh, we're going into the next area. Let's go. Okay. Clock towers. No. Eesh. Let's go to the next area. No. Flip, 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 flip. What's left of our raft might not. Oh, God. Yeah, our raft is not gonna withstand much longer. It's gonna be a floating seat soon. Or maybe it'll just get rid of the seat. What happened to my legs? My hand. Oh, God. Oh, God. No, wait, boat, wait! Okay. We almost got to the, fourth area, was it? But yeah. Climb, treasure chest. Okay, now let's try to get something, make something a little more, better. So first, let's start by using a floor material that I have a lot of. Okay, so this isn't gonna look the best. It's mostly gonna be a mashup of a bunch of materials, but it's also gonna actually win, probably, hopefully. That's what we're trying to make it do. Okay, boom. Ooh, we're out. Okay, we have a lot of this stuff. Okay, here. Okay. Boom, boom. A window so we could actually like see what's going on. And we want closed window there. Probably put some better walls down. Better defense. Okay. Obviously, we want to get to the end to get the treasure. We do not want to die. So, we need a good raft. Hopefully this could make it through some of the obstacles. I think it's almost done. My amazing masterpiece. And done. Now all we need to do is get in the seat and launch. Because our boat can, this boat might not be able to handle this. Ooh, I didn't think about the pillars leaning off. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Okay, we're making it through. We're making it through pretty good. Our ship's holding up. Okay. Our ship is holding up pretty well. Our ship's holding up pretty well. But let's see how long that lasts through the gears of time. Okay, that wasn't a good joke, I know. But whatever. I didn't even say it correctly, I don't think. Okay. So just so you know, we will be doing more Roblox videos in the future, so expect more Roblox and also a lot more Minecraft because we're gonna do a lot more Minecraft than Roblox. Okay. We made it through. We made it through, everyone. We got to the section we didn't get to before. I think we might actually win. Oh. Never mind. We might not. Okay. Still, our raft is still doing good. It's not gonna get destroyed yet. I mean, look at this. We're still alive. We're still alive. Let's go to the next one. Pizza? Okay. I get it. This is an arcade. Oh my. Oh. Okay. Okay, we get it. We get it. You hate me. You hate. Oh God. Yeah, our raft might not hold up to go after this. maybe we chose the correct material and like not getting destroyed very easily. I do not have the best experience with this game. Not like I don't like it, but like I'm pretty bad at it. Like, look at this ship. Look at how it's holding up. It's, wait a minute. We're in the second highest. Okay. Oh God. Oh God. Oh no. Water, refill. Oh, okay, the water has refilled, like I asked. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, so it still pushes me even though it isn't. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We are champions. We will win. Okay. Oh, come on. Seriously? Oh. Oh no. Our ship might not last the longest after this. Oh God. Hey, at least we got all the way here. We're so close to the treasure. We have to win now. We're so close. I've never gotten this far. Let's go. To the treasure! To the treasure! Oh, our ship is not holding up. To the next area we go. And and I swear we are going to get to that treasure. Never mind, we might not. Yeah, we might not. If we keep getting catch-upped. We must do it. Oh, come on! Why does this keep happening? We just need one more row. One more area. And we will be crowned treasure hunter. We were so close. We were so close. Okay, well, that's all for today. Hope you liked the video. I will see you next time. Bye.